Did you know the right time to start planning for your loved one's future is before a crisis hits? The last thing you want is for a crisis to hit and not have any plan for your family to follow. Even if you think long-term care is far away, planning before the unexpected is the only way to ensure you're taken care of the way you want to be. I'm Chris Johnson, a life care planning attorney in Tennessee. I work with clients to get life care plans and crisis care plans in order so that they are ready for anything. Today, I will tell you about what's called a trigger event and why it's so crucial to start planning now before the unexpected happens. Let's start with a trigger event. What exactly does this mean? A trigger event is any situation that leaves you concerned about your loved one's future. It's a wake-up call, whether it's a diagnosis from a long-term illness like Alzheimer's, dementia, or Parkinson's, or something like an unexpected fall, a stroke, or other medical emergency. These conditions often signal the beginning of a long-term care journey. And while your loved one may seem fine today, the reality is that things will change. And when they do, the consequences can be severe if you're not prepared. The right time to create a life care plan is immediately after a trigger event. This is when the need for careful planning is most critical. Without a plan, families are left scrambling to make decisions under extreme pressure, often paying much more for care, making rushed decisions, and having fewer good options. But when you plan, you have control over the situation. You have more resources, more options, and a better chance of securing the best care for your loved one. So why exactly is it so important to start planning after a trigger event? By creating a pre-crisis life care plan right after the trigger event, you can avoid the financial and emotional toll of last-minute decisions. Procrastination can be costly. Long-term care can cost up to $150,000 a year. With the right kind of planning, you can save hundreds of thousands of dollars, safeguard your home, your future, and your legacy. The earlier you act, the better your chances of keeping your loved one in a familiar environment, home. A life care plan helps ensure that your loved one has the support they need, allowing them to stay at home longer and reducing the likelihood of costly institutional care. Let me give you an example. A family came to see us after Dad had been diagnosed with Parkinson's disease. Dad was still successful at home, but everyone knew that it was just a matter of time before he would need more assistance with activities of daily living. We were able to help with home modifications so he could stay home longer. We were able to get him set up with an asset protection trust, so when he needed more assistance in the home or in a facility, he was positioned where his health care costs could be supplemented by public benefits, ensuring that money was protected for the benefit of his spouse should she need care in the future, and some money was be protected for his children, for his legacy. For all these reasons, by creating a pre-crisis life care plan, you get more than just legal advice. Your plan will include customized strategies incorporating estate planning, Medicaid and VA benefits planning, care coordination, and asset protection. These components work together to ensure you're prepared for whatever comes next. Don't wait for a crisis to start planning. If you've experienced a trigger event or have concerns about your loved one's future, now is the time to act. Let's talk about how we can help you create a life care plan that protects your loved ones and your family. For more videos like this one and tips for life care planning, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're not just legal professionals. We're experts and we're advocates. We're here to guide you through the complexities of aging and care with compassion and expertise. Contact us for a consultation.